Welcome to linuxhelp.com. Today topic is how to install and configure GpEasy CMS on Fedora 34. GpEasy is a complete content management system that lets a user create rich and flexible website with simple and easy to use interface. The embedded design of the admin interface allows users to instantly see changes in one browser window. This tutorial covers the installation of GpEasy CMS on Fedora 34. Now I am going to check my OS version. Use this command. This is OS version Fedora 34. Now I am going to install GpEasy CMS package by using wget command. After installation, I am going to make directory. And then I am going to unzip downloaded package GpEasy CMS. And then I am going to give owner name and group name. This directory. And then I am going to give permission for this directory. And open configuration file for this GpEasy CMS and make this configuration and save and exit. Open the host entry file and enter your IP and domain name here and save and exit. Now restart your Apache systemctl, restart HTTPD. Now go to the browser, enter your domain name here. This is main page for GpEasy CMS and enter your login detail. Now install. Click here. Now see GpEasy CMS is successfully open on browser.
Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, stay tuned to www.linuxhelp.com. If you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.